When I click on any cell and right click, I got some of these options. We will see what is the use of these one by one. Okay. For example, I have any value in this cell for let's say 100. What I want is I want to move this cell value 100 from this to this. How we can do? Just select this, right click and cut, and select here, right click and paste. And you can see we have moved this value from this cell to this cell. We can also do this the process step same. Click here on cut and click here and paste. So this is the first option. Next what I want is I want to copy this value. I copy here and select here, right click and paste. I got this 100. Again I copy from here, and next when I click right here, you can see we are getting the many options. For example, only values. So I want this to be pasted as a value only. I need to select on this. So this is 100. Okay. Next, we have already seen insert, delete, like insert and delete rows. We can also insert cell and columns as well. For example, I click insert. When I click, it will ask you, it will add the new cell. But you want to shift original cell to right or to down, or entire row or column. So I simply click shift cell down, click OK. It is added. I add here, insert, shift down, OK. It is added now. One more space we are getting, one more blank cell. Next is filter. We have already seen. Sort we have already covered. Next is insert comment. You can see I have these two fields, full name and mail ID. When I hover here, you can see there is a pop-up coming named as the value is coming like please write your full name. How we can add the similar comment or the pop-up comment in this mail ID field? To do so, just click here and right click and click on this insert comment. When you click, you can type your text here, like what I want to write is write your mail ID here and click anywhere. Now you can see we have also added the comment to this particular box. If you want to delete this comment, just simply select and right click and delete comment. Or you want to edit this comment, you can do edit also by using this edit comment. Show and hide comment also we can do by clicking this show and hide. It will be shown. By clicking on hide, it will be hidden. Okay. So this is how these all options are working like. Format cell and other options we will see later, and we will cover up all these topics. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.